Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today is a really exciting video because I'm going to open my Happy Planner Squad Mentor box. It's full of stuff from the new back to school release and I can't wait to see what's inside. I have not opened it yet. So if you would like to hang out with me and watch me open everything, please keep watching. I'm not sure that I can open this while it's under the camera because it's kind of a big box. Let's see. All right, well, I obviously have a sticker storage box here or something of the sort. So let's peek. I got some stickers. All right, cool. All right, I'm going to take this box and I'm going to put it aside. And I'm going to pull out everything. Ooh, okay. So first up, this is obviously the back to school launch for the Happy Planner. And everything goes on sale tomorrow morning, Friday the 23rd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Okay. And it is all going to be on the Happy Planner website. And I will have my affiliate link in the box below, in the description box. If you were going to purchase, I'd appreciate it if you use my link. It does help me out. You know, every little bit helps me out a great deal, and I appreciate your support. And if you don't use my link, please use somebody else on the squad or a mentor or something, because we do put a lot of work into these unboxing videos and flip throughs and photos and all of that for you guys. So anyway, thank you for that. So let's see. So we have an accessory and pen storage pack. And I have one of these already, these bigger ones, and I keep like my sticker books that aren't Happy Planner in it actually, because they kind of fit better in there because they're bigger. And then I have 10 of these. I have 10 of these. But this one's so cute with the tie-dye. It goes with the indigo tie-dye. It's like that theme. So really cute. I'm not going to open that now. That's going to be a project. Okay. So let's see what we've got. We've got Bold School, Out for Adventure, yes, Fancy Florals. Oh, I've got a lot of sticker books here, you guys. Seasonal Type, Simple Brights. Oh, this is exciting. This is so exciting. And Teacher Florals. So I think those are all the sticker books that I got. And I probably have, you know, a bunch more on my list that I am going to need to get, but thank you, Happy Planner, for sending these to me. It's very exciting to get a bunch of new sticker books in the mail, as I'm sure you would think it would be, right? I think I'll do flip throughs separately of these on my channel. Probably I'll combine it into a couple of videos, but let's keep going. So we've got some of these really cool pink and blue tie-dye plastic envelopes. And there's 3 in this pack. And look how cute they are. Really, really cute. I'm sorry for all the cute. We have some big filler paper. It's called Everyday, and it says plan all the things. It's got some purple dots there, some bullet points. And you know I use a big Happy Planner, so I can use the filler paper. Ooh, I'm so glad I got this because this was on my list. You guys, I love these. I love these pen pouches because they are like silicone and they're just so soft. They're like silky soft. They feel so good and they're like flexible, but just the right amount of firm at the same time so they don't like flop around. I love these. Love, love, love. I'm so glad I got another one. Basically what I do use these for is at my desk. I keep like important like supplies to work on my planners with. So yeah, so cute. I just straightened my camera. I realized that was crooked. Sorry. So exciting that my camera's all messed up. Okay, so next up we have some indigo tie-dye sticky notes. I love like fun sticky notes because it really beats like Post-its, right? Just like different and fun. Ooh. Look at this pen case. And this is one of those ones that like attaches around your planner. I love pastels. This is so pretty. It's like brush strokes. See? So, so pretty. Yay! Stickers! Stickers, so cute! I wanted these ones. So these are the pastel tie-dye ones. I'm really into this pastel tie-dye look, and I will do a separate flip through of this too. And then we have a 6-month Undated teacher extension pack, and that's a classic size. And some everyday classic filler paper, and this is like it's dot grid, but it's like gray kind of, and then there's these like gray sort of lines on the side that look confetti-ish, but almost look like metal. I mean, they don't look like metal, but you know what I mean? Yeah. So that's classic size. And then we have some big filler paper. Happy notes. We've got the 1, 2, 3 here, and then some. This is great. These are great daily sheets because I could do my 3 main priorities for the day, then a bunch of to-dos, and then this section is for whatever I need it to be. So I really like this. I'm very into daily planning, so I think I will definitely be using those. Okay, now we are into the planners. So it looks like they sent 2 planners. Oh no, okay, so a Happy Notes and a classic planner. So we have, this is like dotted lined paper. Let me show you this real quick. I don't think I'm going to do a flip through on this. I will flip through this other planner probably separately. Let's see. I just love this so much, this pastel tie-dye look. I think it's so cute. It's so cute. You are strong and brave. Yes, I am. And look. Ooh. Love it. So we just have like lined paper here, and then there's like some little polka dots and stars in the middle, just pink, subtle, really cute. There's a lot of paper here. And then look at this one. Oh my gosh. Do what you love. Love what you do. I do what I love, and I love what I do. So this is for me. And I just think like these colors are pretty, and I do like tie-dye. Like I actually like it better than the Indigo tie-dye because this is so soft and pretty. And I already know these are going to make great photos, like great backdrop, like props, right? Good vibes only. Super cute. Okay. Really cute. Okay, so let me just do a quick, I'll just do a quick flip through of this one, and then I will do a separate video for this, I think. I'm not going to do separate videos for everything, but a few of these things I guess I will. Because I'm getting this, like I just got this today, and you're seeing this today, and everything goes on sale tomorrow, so I don't have time to do flip throughs of everything, but I will try. Look at how cute that is. Hi, this planner belongs to me. So this is a classic vertical, which is awesome because I am, look at this currently page, because I am a vertical girl. This is a different kind of currently page. I like it. It's interesting. You've got this. And again, this whole neutral bit, love, love, love. Now this one has important, so it's got your like little priorities down here, which is fine with me. I also like how the numbers are like hollow in the middle. I don't know what I'm trying to say. They're not filled in the middle, so you can color them in to match your spread. I think that is really cool. So let's just quickly look at some of these dividers. Oh my gosh, really, really cute. And yeah, I will flip through this like separately. I'm really glad I got this one. I was hoping I'd get this one because it's just adorable and it's so, so me. And I will be keeping this for sure. Sorry if you thought I was going to do giveaway, but I love it and I'm keeping it. Look, holographic stuff too. Ooh, look at that. Okay. So that's everything. I mean, thank you, Happy Planner. This is awesome. What a nice, fun box of goodies. And yeah, so everything's going to release tomorrow. Wait, there's more. It releases tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 Eastern time for me. And I'm just super excited about all of these cute stuff, especially the stickers. Wait until you see these. These are super cute. And you might have seen them already. I know people have flip throughs out there, but they're new to me. So I have not watched any flip throughs. I don't like to do that. I like to be surprised. So I can't wait to look at these. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. And again, hope you guys shop tomorrow. And if you do, please use my affiliate link. All right. Thanks. See ya.